Hi, I'm Maggie Slowik, Global Industry Director for Manufacturing here at IFS. I am really excited to tell you about Unleashed and why it matters for manufacturing leaders right now. So, first, this is where industrial AI becomes real. Not concepts or slideware, but practical use cases across planning, production, supply chain, and service. Things you can actually apply every day. Second, you will hear directly from customers. Now, I'm talking real stories, real outcomes, and honest lessons on what it takes to make transformation stick at scale. And third, it's about connections, of course. You will meet peers facing the same challenges, whether it's resilience, cost pressure, complexity, and you will walk away with ideas you can actually act on immediately. So, from a manufacturing perspective, we will focus on that one key question. How do you bring your operations together? From planning to production through to delivery and support, all while using AI to improve throughput, reduce disruption, and drive consistent performance. And that's where we are seeing the real shift from fragmented processes to a connected learning system. So, do I have to tell you more? Join us on October the 12th to the 16th in Orlando. And let's turn ambition into something operational and you can act on today.